Hello! Welcome back po dito si Angel Francia PH Tarot, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, mga madam and sir. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang mga sagot ng iyong guardian angels tungkol sa mga katanungan ninyo regarding love life, career, kaperahan, or ano man yung pinoproblema ninyo. Okay? Tignan natin kung ano ang mensahe, ano ang advice, o ano ang sagot nila. Okay? Bago ko magsisimula, Scorpio, gusto ko lang i-announce na meron na tayong 2-in-1 financial blockages, removal spell, and money jar. Okay? Now, wala itong langis. Okay? Wala itong oil. Hindi kailangan ng oil. Okay? Iba yun. 2-in-1. Bakit 2-in-1? First, kailangan mo natin tanggalin yung mga blockages ninyo regarding finances. Okay? Naka-block. Paano mo malalaman kung may blockages ka? May mga delays sa negotiations, sa dealings, andyan na yung pera, tapos biglang umatras yung, ka-deal mo, or may binibenta kang mga items, parang walang bumibili. Those are blockages, no? Naka-block ka, kumbaga. Hindi ka naka-attract ng pera. Okay? So, kahit ano pang mga pampaswerte, mga bracelet, mga amulets, ang mga ganitong bracelet, mga crystals, ang binibili ninyo, kung meron kayong mga blockages, wala pa rin mangyayari. Okay? So, kailangan alisin muna natin yung mga blockages diyan para tuloy-tuloy ang pasok ng kaperahan sa buhay ninyo, of course. Yeah. Okay. This is 8:50. Okay? Hanapin niyo ang Facebook page ko, Angel Francia PH Tarot. Soon will be Bonum Magos next month. Okay? Kasi ang daming gumagaya or ang dami kong kaparehas ng name. Mahirapan kayong hanapin ang Facebook page ko. Kung gusto niyo hanapin yung Facebook page ko pero hindi niyo makita, guys, same profile picture dito sa YouTube. Okay? Yung picture ko. Alright. Ano pa? 2-in-1 Black Magic Protection and Healing Necklace. This is a black tourmaline stone. Pag uminit ito sa katawan ninyo, ibig sabihin, andun yung bisa. Ina-absorb, tinatanggal yung mga ginawang kulam sa inyo. This is 1,000 pesos. Okay? Protection and healing. Okay, bakit protection and healing? 2-in-1. Okay, explain ko na naman ba? Guys, kahit, mga madam and sir, kahit tawag nito, gumaling na kayo, nagpagamot kayo sa albularyo, sa spiritual healer, o ano pa man dyan, nagpagamot kayo sa kulam ninyo, kung wala naman kayong panangga, ulit-ulitin kayong gawan ng kulam sa mga mangkukulam na yan. Okay? And of course, our best seller, powerful red bracelet. Okay? You can skip this part. Kung ayaw nyo makinig yung mga items ko, you can skip this. Okay? This is pre-recorded. You can skip this. Okay? 700 pesos, all-in-one. Lahat ng mga feedbacks ng item ko, andon sa Facebook page. Pakihanap na lang. Angel Francia PH Tarot. Ayan. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Ano ang mga sagot ng iyong guardian angels tungkol sa mga kaproblemahan ninyo? Okay? Spirit guides and angels, ano ang sagot ninyo sa mga katanungan ng ating Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements? Guys, by the way, Scorpio, if you are interested sa mga pangontra sa inggit, ayan, kung feeling nyo may mga taong nainggit sa'yo, may mga bad intentions, you need the evil eye bracelet, available next week. Darating. Okay? Alright. Scorpio. Ano ang sagot ng iyong guardian angels tungkol sa mga katanungan ng ating Scorpio? Alright, Scorpio. You have the Ten of Swords. Okay. Peaceful resolution. if there is an ending, okay, if ang tinatanong ninyo Scorpio is, ma'am, magkakaroon ba ng peace sa buhay ko? Yes, there will be peace, especially to those of you who have been betrayed, hindi makatulog sa gabi kasi trinaydor, nag-away kayo, nagkaroon ng alitan sa magkakapatid, kamag-anak, ayan, nagsisiraan, magkaibigan, magkakasundo rin. Meron ding pagsusundo na mangyayari. May magkasunduan na mangyayari or like magkakasundo or magkaroon ng peaceful resolution. Okay? Especially if you are feeling down lately. Scorpio, I feel like you are so down lately. Down na down ka. Okay, you have been betrayed or you feel lost, you feel like there is, you feel failure in some aspect or area in your life. It could be relationship, it could be career, it could be, I don't know exactly because this is a general reading. So there will be a peaceful resolution for that. Okay? Next, you have the Two of Cups. Woo! Talaga naman. I feel like someone is going to offer you forgiveness. You will feel the love of a certain individual. You have a person in your life right now and you feel the love from this person. Romance is blooming. Romance is in the air for you, Scorpio. I feel like you are dealing with another water sign, Cancer. I'm getting a strong Cancer, Scorpio. Cancer, Pisces. Okay? Or another Scorpio for some of you. But mostly this is Cancer or Pisces that you're dealing with who, mararamdaman niyo yung love mo mararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal niya this month or around September. This season, Christmas season, like 3 months, within 3 months, mafe-feel mo na or may magpaparamdam or if you are single, meron kang mahahanap na romantic partner around September, October, November, up to December. Tandaan nyo yan, Scorpio, yung sinabi ko. Meron kang makatagpo na manliligaw, may magpaparamdam, may manliligaw ka, or either ikaw naman na lalaki, meron kang maliligawan, meron kang makakatagpo na parang soulmate, feeling mo soulmate na. Okay? Ayan. Yeah. For some of you, you are already in a very romantic relationship and I see you heading towards marriage. Scorpio, sino yan? Or maybe this is what you want. If you're asking about, papakasalan kaya niya ako, ma'am? Yeah. This card is saying yes. Okay. Yeah, there is a strong connection between you and this person. I'm getting strong I'm getting a strong Cancer and Pisces energy from this card. Okay? Ayan, especially sa mga may partner na kasi ang Cancer and Scorpio, they're a perfect match. Okay? Kaya masasabi ko na yan na, siya yung perfect match mo. Although there are some mga tawag nito, hindi naman lahat ng relationship perfect, di ba? But mas compatible kayo kumpara sa iba. Okay? Next, you have the Sun! See, the situation will improve if ikaw ay nagkakasakit lately, sa mga nagkakasakit dyan, sa feeling depressed, the situation will improve. The sun will shine upon you again. Okay? The sun will shine on light for you. You will feel positive, pleasure, there is happiness. You will feel happy again. You feel alive na alive. You feel joy, there is fun, there is celebration, there is success in your area regarding your physical health, mental, in the area of your career and money. Okay? The situation will improve. Kaya, Scorpio, just have faith. Lakasan mo lang ang loob mo and have faith and be patient. Okay? That's the key. Patience is a virtue. Diba? Sabi nga nila. Oh, I like this. Okay, next you have the King of Pentacles. So take action. Regarding your business, if you want to something, take action. Okay? Huwag matakot. Believe in yourself. Believe in your capacity, in your own skills. Believe in your skills. Believe in your own talent. Believe in yourself. Yan ang message. Take action. Especially when it comes to your kapirahan. Because King of Pentacles is someone who has money. This is about money, finances, business, wealth, and security and leadership. So take action. Be a leader. Okay? You have the power. You have the authority to change your life if you take action. Yan ang message sa iyo ng cards and angels. You want money, you want to be successful, Scorpio, take action. Do something right now. Okay? You have the talent. Okay? Yan ang message sa iyo. And of course, be generous, be kind to people. It will lead to your abundance and prosperity. Okay? Last but not the least, you have the Nine of Swords. Ooh. Okay. If your question is, matatapos na ba yung mga problema mo? Yes. I really do believe. Okay? I see you worrying a lot, Scorpio. And I see yung iba kini-question ninyo, matatapos na ba to, ma'am? Matatapos na ba yung iyak-iyak ko? Matatapos na ba tong mga lagi kong pinoproblema? Yes, matatapos na yan. Okay? Especially to those who are depressed lately, hindi makatulog, ayan, feeling hopeless. Maybe some of you, Scorpio, you are dealing with some sort of traumatic experience from the past. Some of you feel like parang desperate. You're in a very desperate situation. You have anxiety, you have worry. And a lot of you are asking, matatapos na ba yan? Yes. Okay, the situation will improve. So, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, yan po ang mga sagot ng Guardian Angels sa iyong sitwasyon, ang mga pinoproblema. I hope this video resonates with you. Let me know in the comments. Huwag po kayo mahiya mag-comment. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next time. God bless, more power, and paalam po.